Hi, home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making chicken cacciatore. This flavorful Italian-inspired recipe is full of tender chicken, slow-simmered in a rich tomato sauce. Everything comes together in one skillet for an easy rustic dinner. A hearty, family-friendly meal that's perfect any day of the week. This easy one-pot dinner brings classic Italian comfort to your table. The golden fried chicken slow simmers with mushrooms and fragrant herbs for a rich, thick tomato sauce perfect for scooping up with crusty bread. It's simple, hearty, and bursting with flavor. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make chicken cacciatore. To start this recipe, I'm going to preheat a large pan or Dutch oven to medium-high. Add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once it's hot and glistening, add the chicken to the pan. I'm going to season the outside of the chicken with a little bit of salt and pepper. Let the chicken fry on all sides until the outside is browned. Traditionally, this hunter-style chicken is made with chicken thighs and drumsticks. Today I'm going with a boneless, skinless version, so I'm going to use chicken breast. Now that my first side of the chicken breast is browned, I'm going to flip it over and season the other side with salt and pepper. Once both sides of the chicken are browned, I'm going to remove it to a plate. I'm going to set this aside while I get on with making the sauce. To the same pan, add half a diced onion and 2 minced cloves of garlic. Fry this in the oil until translucent and just starting to color. Add in 2 ribs of chopped celery and 1 8-ounce package of sliced mushrooms. Stir and fry until the vegetables start to cook down and brown. And now, to get all that delicious rich flavor from the bottom, I'm going to deglaze the pan with 1 cup of dry red wine. Stir this to loosen any brown bits stuck to the bottom of the pan and allow the wine to reduce slightly. Then I'm going to stir in 1 large tin of crushed tomatoes. To balance out the acidity of the tomatoes, I'm going to stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of brown sugar. Season the sauce with 1 teaspoon of thyme and 1 teaspoon of rosemary. I'm also going to sprinkle in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. I still have rosemary and thyme growing in the garden, so I'm going to add 1 sprig of each to mine in place of dried. Now I can add the chicken back into the sauce. Cover and let it simmer in the sauce on low heat 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and tender. Remove from the heat and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to your taste. Just before serving, I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of olives, but this step is optional. And it's ready to serve with your favorite side. Tonight we're having it with a wild rice blend and a simple side salad. This is the ultimate cozy comfort food meal. This classic hunter's chicken turns simple ingredients into a warm, satisfying, restaurant-quality chicken cacciatore. It's perfect to serve with pasta, rice, or crusty bread to soak up all that delicious sauce. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.